Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to add a link in WordPress. In this video I will show you how to add a link into text with Gutenberg block and Elementor page builder as well. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Okay, let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard, and very fast I want to show how to add a link into a text with the Gutenberg block. So hover over on post and go to the all post. Edit any post. I want to edit this post, that is why I have written this post with Gutenberg block. So edit this post. Very fast you have to select the text where you want to insert a link. I want to give a link with this text, so select this text, then click on this link icon. This is the field where you have to insert the link that you want to give here. So I want to give like Facebook website URL. This is the Facebook website URL, and click on this icon, which is the apply or submit icon. Click on it, then save from the right side top. Visit the post. You can see this text color has been changed and underline is showing. Just click on it. Yes, you can see the link is work perfectly, but the link open with this same tab, but I want to open with a different tab. So again go to the editor and select this text, click on this edit icon, then under the link field you can see it shows advanced and open in new tab. If you want to open in new tab, then check this box and save it. Then I can save from the right side top. Visit the post. Yes, you can see it open with a new tab. Now I want to do same thing with a Elementor page builder. So go to the website, and this is the home page I have made with Elementor. Okay, so this page edit with Elementor. Now you can close this tab. Okay, in same way you have to select text. Just I want to add a text here. I want to add here. Click here. Click here. I want to give a link. So just select this text and click on this link icon and give the URL here. If you want to open a new tab, then click on this link, this gear setting icon. Very fast you have to apply it. So click on this icon. Okay, then again edit it and click on this gear icon, and I want to open a new link, new tab. So check this box and update it. Publish the page and visit and reload this page. Yes, you can see click here, text is a different color, so click on it. You can see it works perfectly. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.